Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn what is Abacus and how Abacus helps in brain development. The full form of Abacus is Abundant Beats Addition and Calculation Utility System. It is a simple calculating device that consists of beads arranged in rods of wires embedded in wooden frame. We in Brainy Stars teach Abacus, which help children develop mental skills like critical thinking, decision making, memory, adaptability, and analysis, which are imperative for establishing a successful career, alongside making mathematics enjoyable to our students. Abacus improves mental math abilities and helps in brain development in young kids. Abacus promotes whole brain development by activating both left and right hemispheres of brain. This leads to improved calculating abilities and overall academic performance. Now, let's watch our Brainy Star students enjoying Abacus.
24 plus 5 minus 5 plus 1
plus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 1.
answer
45.
very good 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 answer is 23 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 answer 7 minus 5 plus 2 plus 1 answer very plus 8 minus 8 plus 4 plus 1 answer
Plus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 1.
so what's the answer you got very 77 minus 5 plus 2 plus 1
Here I am going to use small friend formula. Plus 1 is equal to minus 4 is equal plus 5.
answer
Answer 75.
very good